Okay, clap brawling tayo ha. I don't want
Ay, patay si
Oh,
Yuki.
anyone.
Yuki? Dead agad?
Bakat siya.
Botoy.
Ano ba yan?
Ginagawa niya. Ginagawa niya dun.
Dragon. Mackle's calling Mackle's calling. It's not me.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the enemy. Yo, spread lang. Be careful, nasa west yung kalaban niya. Also, be ready for possible bombers. Always open your fucking eyes. You don't need to pick, ha? You don't need to pick. Wala tayong walls.
They're southwest. They're southwest.
Okay. Position lang. Go up
Seed.
the. Puta kayo.
Fodo no seed. Now. Follow count, boys. Follow count.
2 engages sila, Mac. 2 engages.
Okay. Nagpa-fight na, man. Nagpa-fight na sila. Okay, heal. Support allies. Push it OC, man. Push it OC, everyone. Careful lang. Careful lang.
Hold ka muna,
Careful
Mac.
lang.
Mga 3 minutes, Mac.
Yeah, I'm holding.
Dumating yung chair.
Ba't sila sa ano? Come inside the terry. Come up.
Pasok ka ng PTB, PTB sila.
Ano nagsabi na ako, hindi ako maka-PTB.
Baka nandito naman sila. Double
Careful lang.
Pinching up.
Careful lang. Ano yung engage nila?
Horde
HOJ.
Careful.
Do you have any IB
Careful lang
I got a headache.
SNWC yung bedrock ko. Yo, looking yan sila. Nakita nyo na yung fucking gameplay nila. Yo, pinch up. Get ready. Walk in. Keep walking in. Dip. Clap and kite sila. On the crown, south side on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Ang ina pa, defensive ako. Come up. Ready defensives. Ready. Prepare your defensives. Defensive. Walk inside. Heal sa front. Yo, walk fucking inside. Ako lang dito. Come on, inside. South. Why you fucking running away?
Looking now.
Come up north.
We can do content.
I'm dead na. Heal sa front. Puta, patay ako.
Come north on the shield. Follow the shield. Let me spam. Hold.
Save battle mounts.
Hold it.
Revealing ako.
Find the spam boys on my shield, okay? Find the star. I know I have my shield, okay? If I see full walk, we full walk, alright? Hold on my northeast side. They're full clap. Once we engage, we full deck the second engage, okay? That's why you're dying because you're too scared to walk in. If I see fucking walk in, we walk in, no matter what. That's our comp. Def front, walk a bit on the shield. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on the choke. Hit me. So slow. Hold the minor east side.
Yo, boys, don't be scared. What the fuck?
Hold minor side. Yo, come on the shield. If you're range, go northeast. If you're not, come on the shield. Just dodge on my south. Just full stop them, okay? We full walk. We full walk after the second engage, okay? We full walk south and then we hit west side, right? Okay? Be ready. Wait for the second engage, okay? Hold it. Hold. Just double this with the battle mounts. Go stuck with the battle mounts.
They're looking.
Look west side. We full walk south, okay? We full brawl them. No matter what. Def. Look the second engage. Walk south now. Walk south. It's fine. Walk south. Go outside. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit this. Go back. Go northeast. My club, please. Do your job, my club. Ayun, outnumber. My bomb squad outnumber. Kasama ta nila.
Come inside the Terry.
You're here,
Come
Magal.
inside. Yeah, I'm here. Almost there.
Hold northeast.
Come inside. Play mage tayo. Where are the others? Don't tell me sa portal pa rin kayo magre-rigger.
Coming in peak.
Yo, DPS, please don't be scared. Just go in. What the fuck are you guys doing?
Clap roll tayo. You don't get to expect na every clap engage, every clap natin magra-run away tayo. Just full fucking walk in and spread, okay? And then open your fucking eyes, prepare your fucking potions or
They walking
defensive.
in, they walking in.
Okay. Careful.
Nagawa kami
They're
sila.
on the west side. One stay away on west side.
Yo, focus. Marami ako nakikita sa inyo, ah. Careful lang sa front. Enigmatic, please. On time. I need cleanses sa front. Patch.
They still have engage. They still have engage.
Yeah. Walk in. Spread lang.
Defend.
Using now.
Defensive sa front. Nice one. Walk in. Keep walking. Catch nyo. South, east. Looking sila. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. South. On crown. Where the fuck are you looking? Spread. Walk in nyo. Spread. Punta kayo sa backline nila. Spread.
Gago na defensive. Tayo.
Punta kayo backline. Spread. And then spread. Backline and spread. Good kill. Backline and spread. Backline. Punta kayo ng southeast. And then walk nyo west. South nyo west.
Gawin nyo nga south. Yellow zone. Aray ko.
Ipulbro nyo. Don't be fucking scared. If mamatay rig here. Come on. May engage na ako. Looking sila. Heal sa front. Okay. Careful sa west side. Careful looking. Defensive. Keep walking west. Shallow. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After root bound. Drop.
Wrap around. They're panicking.
Backline nila. Fucking putang enough. Backline nila, man. Why you fucking hugging bolts on the eat? Tang ina, tubo ko yung itlog nyo, eh. Mag-backline kayo. Backline.
Fail now.
Backline and spread. Ready. On crown. Careful. Ingat sa walls. Cleanse sa front. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Yung skull mark yan, possible color yan, ah. Careful lang. Keep brawling them, yo. Brawl them out. They're fucking running away. Brawl them out. On the east side, northeast.
East side, not the south.
East side.
They
Isa lang
engage
ba na
already.
Looking.
walk in. 5 seconds engage ako. 5 seconds engage yung Marels. On Marels.
Walk no
East.
matter what.
Alright, fucking east. In 5, 4, 3. After backline. 9, 1, 9. On me.
Full walk no matter what, boys. Full walk.
Keep walking lang. Spread. Open your eyes. Don't walk in if you don't have defensive. Okay. Spread. Walk in. East. Yung mga nasa backline, mag-mount up nga kayo. Tapos iran nyo yung backline nila.
Tapakan nyo lang. Brawlers. Nice kill, Ilya.
Same, hold them. Ebron nyo. Shallow. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Catch this. I'm going for bigger pulls, Looking sila, ready defensive sa front. Defensive, keep walking in. Nice J. Backline. Go straight to the backline. Puro low.
They're panicking.
Root bound nila. Okay, after engage. In 5,
Careful
4,
looking.
3, 2, 1. On Makals. Puro shallow lang. Go deep. Dip, heal sa front, heal sa front.
Full walk, full walk.
Front, south. Defensive sa front. Defensive. Yo. We're good. No one died. Keep walking west,
Nice bomb,
southwest.
nice bomb. I saw it. Nice bomb.
Southwest. Wala na.
They're on south. Catch.
On Makals.
They can still engage, They can still engage.
On me. Yo, pa. Nice one. Kill them. Brawl them out, boys.
Nag-engage na.
Brawl them out, boys. Puta yung Zerg ko, wala ka na sa crown, no? Nice.
Bugo na lang to. Bailing na.
Yeah, running na yan. Yung others dyan, try to catch up on us. Try to catch more.
Battle mount
Ito, may
dito.
red glaive.
Battle mount
Asan?
Alal mo to kay Snob.
dito sa ping.
Ang ina nyo, wala na kayong banner. Pagbal
Guard
ko
ng
nga.
banner. Nakita nyo? Papantayin ng banner, ha?
Nandito.
Dito pa rin sa akin. Nice, Jay. Dito pa rin sa akin. Apat nandito dito. Actually, 5. Ay, di. Nakamounted na isa.
Backup daw doon kay Boss
Ano
Mac.
yan?
Buhay.
Cleaning operation.
May 4 pa kami pinapatay dito. Looking sila. Engage po. Puta na, kapal ng mukha, oh. Okay, northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Makals.
Ogo, sumuko na. Silence ang bata.
Dolo King papuntang southwest, northwest na. Going out.
Going out. Walking sila. Marami pa. Catch na lahat. And then loot. Kapit nung banner, man. Huwag niya pa dampot. Sino nagbabantay sa banner? May 2 minutes pa yan. Pag dinampot yan, marireset yan. Ako na nga.
Delta, nakabantay. Sa banner.
Okay.
Ina mo nilanggam ang bata.
Kayo naman dapat nilang gam yun kung nag-wrap around kayo. Galing
Pa lang eh.
yung bato na
Pa lang.
south. Pwede kayo mag-ace sa bato.
Una pa lang. Hindi, pwede naman kayo, pag sinabing walk-in, hindi naman going straight line eh. Pwede kayo mag-walk-in. Diskarte kayo paano kayo mapupunta sa enemy side. Pwede kayo mag-east and then southeast, diba?
For some reason, nung nasa labas tayo, nung lumalabas tayo ng HO, ng Terry, walang lumalabas sa DPS. Like, why?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi ko malaman kung takot ba sila or ewan ko.
Ang ina, walk-in yung call pero nag-walk-in papasok sa Terry. Gago.
Ang trick na ano yan. Nakakabanas pagka ganun eh.
Ano ba siya? Nalito ba?
Hindi nalito. Paano malilito yun?
Hindi ko din alam.
Nasa south na tayo. Ang tagal natin dun sa south. Nandun lang sila sa loob.
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero walk-in man. Walk-in sa kalaban. Clap roll tayo. We're supposed to be running them over. Hindi yung engage run.
That
Clap
was
roll. Alam niyo na yun. Tangina, hindi na kayo hindi na kayo day 1 player.
That's like for fucking ages. Then wala talaga.
Buti nung bandang huli naka-absorb tayo ng engages. Nung nakapitas-pitas na yung BS. Nakapitas yung BS dun sa gate eh. Solid. Putang ina. Sila hala ata yun or hindi ko sure.
Gusto mo FF sa Doffy?
Ngayon, pwede naman.
G.
Might, solo and might trigger uli. Anong plano?
Tapos na ba, Mac?
Wait lang. Hintay lang mawala tong banner.
Ogo, respawn.
Okay.
Okay na.
Wala. Sige. Everyone go to... diretso na tayo ng island. Mark...
Limers.
Limers. Yo, everyone, hold total. We're going northeast. Hindi tayo pupunta ng HO. Papahold ba?
Makels, ilan tayo ng tayo lang? 37?
Wag. Ano yan? Nap yan.
Manifest? Hindi ko sure eh.
Almost 20.
Pero online.
parties? 2 parties.
Online natin 49. 49 ng online. Basta to. Ayan.
Kabanas. Bounce mo
Well. GG. Goods pa rin ang result. Pero again, tandaan nyo guys, Clap brawl, expect kayo ng walk-in kay Marels. Don't expect na matatakot si Marels and then patakbo tayo. Okay?